Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I achieve butterfly locks using Bobbi Boss's water curl in the color TB Burgundy, which is this gorgeous burgundy ombre. And also I'm going to be wrapping that hair around the Bobbi Boss New Locks, which is in 1B, and this is 24 inches and this hair is 20 inches. So I'm going to show you how I attach it to my head, how I create the locks individually, and how I wrap the individual crochet locks to my hair. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so this is what the water curl looks like outside the package. About this hair is that it has a little bit of grit and texture to it. It's even though it's silky and soft to the touch, the grit gives you the ability to grip to hair easily. This is the New Locks crochet, and they're hollow in the middle, which will make overall my locks lightweight, so it won't be heavy on my head. It's a whole transition of this darker color into the lighter color to go against the entire length. So I'll show you how I do that. So I started already and I made 40 butterfly locks. I wrapped the Brazilian water curl around the new lock, and these will be just to crochet in. I'm going to do individual ones on the outside just to give the illusion that my entire head is not crochet but individually braided. I like to do crochet because it's just a better protective style, and it's lightweight and it gets the job done faster, but gives you the illusion that everything is individually made. Here I am taking a water wave and wrapping it around the new lock, and as I said before, I came down about 7 to 8 inches just to leave room for my real hair that I'll show you later. And I'm doing a butterfly method, so what you do is you just wrap it regularly like as you would do a faux lock, but you want to take a small piece of hair and wrap it around your thumb so that the lock can look distressed. And I crocheted all 40 of those locks in the middle of my head, and around the perimeter I have about 13 individual locks just to give my head and the illusion that everything is individually braided, and it's a great protective style. And I just don't want it to be too tight towards my scalp. Remember, not too tight. See how loose it is? I also left some of my hairline out just so that I can go back in and smooth it and create those cute baby hairs and to give it a break. So this is the lock that we created. Okay, so we can begin. So you're gonna take the lock in, and I'm going to stick my real hair into the hole at the top and pull it through. Now back to the new lock. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to be using half of that to wrap the top part of my lock to create that ombre. And I didn't want to use any other hair. I wanted to keep it in the same round with the other. Follow that with the burgundy water curl, and I'm going to continue to wrap past my hair so that everything is nice and sealed in.